Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Blaze, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe right on the screen and tap on Others. Here, swipe right until you find Reset and tap on it. Then tap the check mark to confirm. And at this point, the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.